So guess what came in the mail today? A package from Amazon. So let's open this up.
Okay.
And we already opened this part too. And it comes in a case. Plusinno. It's
How do you say it?
Plusinno.
Plusinno.
I don't.
So what is that?
It's a fishing rod, and this is the case for it. And thank you. Oh, look, it's a thank you card. So you're gonna think the fishing rod is like really, really small because it's like it comes in this little package. But actually, when you open it up like that, if I could ever get it, it's like this, but this comes with it. So you open it like that, take it off. How do I get this off? I don't know how to take it.
And it extends like that?
Yeah, and it extends.
Oh, look at that. That's
it's
long.
Like really long.
Let me see.
And I'm like, wait, no, tell me it's not gonna be short. It's it's blue though. It's like really long. And I'm like, Mom, and I asked my mom how long will this be, and I'm like, I don't want it small. But it's a cool,
So that's long, Kim?
yeah, it's a cool fishing rod.
Yeah, it's cool. You like it?
Yeah. And it comes in a case as well. Why do we need this though?
That's to protect that one.
Protects the little
So it
holes.
comes with what? With a protector?
Yeah, for the top.
Okay.
I just need to put it back in if I can.
Here.
These things are like so loose.
So Papa will fix that tomorrow so we can go check it out
Yeah.
or try it out tomorrow.
Where are we gonna go for fishing though again?
Oh,
Moline?
It's somewhere over there.
Help me. Whatever. So this is the fishing rod. And then this is the reeler thingy.
What else comes with it? What is that?
This is the reeler thingy. So it has the string already to it. So we don't need to waste all of our time. And it's like this. It's satisfying.
How will you attach that one?
Like that. But you like spiral down like that. Like there's a little clamp here. And then you put this on like that. And then you just... What way is this supposed to go though? I don't know.
We'll see. We'll ask
Yeah.
Papa to fix it
Let's just put it on for now.
tomorrow.
Oh wait, I think I know how to do it actually.
Okay. So that's how you do it?
There!
Oh,
So you see like these little extending parts?
Where?
You put like, here. Like you see this part, and then this part you attach it in there. See, like it attaches in.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait,
That's easy, right?
and then after that, this bottom part, you just spiral it up there like that. Like that, see?
Yep.
Now I just...
And then
So these are the
what
stuff.
else comes in the bag?
A whole package of reel stuff thingies.
What are those? We open it.
Oh, these are like the hooks. The hooks to the fishing part.
Oh.
Like all of the hooks. Oh yeah, I forgot to also tell you there's a little bobber.
What's that?
A bobber, so it floats in the water. And then after that, when a fish is on there, this will start moving.
Oh,
Like,
really?
yeah.
Pull the snap.
Oh, got it.
So what's that?
Why does this have a bell on it though? This is the bell thingy. This is an actual fish. Like a fish. Wait, so if there's 2 hooks like that, can you catch like multiple fish or just like one?
It depends. You can
Because
catch.
it's like that. It's
yeah,
like
you can catch maybe like 2 fish. Maybe.
Oh,
Because
yeah,
you have a lot of hooks.
Yeah, there's like 2 bobbers. So like this yellow one, it probably marks like how deep this goes. If it goes like to the orange, if it goes to like the orange, like the yellow is how deep it goes. If it goes above the yellow to the orange, maybe that's a signal for the fish. Same as this one. What is that? Oh, okay. What's this stuff? I don't know.
Those are where you put the bait. Right?
Can we use the worms for bait then?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe these are the weights. Yeah, these are the weights.
Mm-hmm. And you also have bags right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Ow. Ow.
So tell them you can buy that at Amazon.
You could buy this at Amazon for how much?
The name is, what's that? Plusinno?
Yeah, Plusinno.
Tell them.
The name is Plusinno. You can get it from Amazon for how much? I don't know.
It depends on the size that you
Yeah,
want.
it depends on the size.
What else? What else is in the
That's all.
here? The inside of it.
Yeah, that's
Show them
all.
the inside of the bag.
This is the inside of the bag.
Oh, that's so cool. That's like a sturdy bag. It's Plusinno, guys. Here.
So, and then to sort it all out, you put this in there. You put this bobber thing in there. That's what I saw in the first place. Get on!
So tomorrow we're gonna try that out
Yeah.
on our fishing adventure or fishing trip.
With this.
It has its own case.
Yeah, it has its own case.
Oh, that's cute.
Well, I don't know
Is
how
it
to-
heavy?
No.
Let me see. Is the rod heavy?
No.
Let me see.
It's not heavy. But this thing
It's
keeps
not heavy at all.
extending out.
Oh yeah, it's light.
Yeah, it's lightweight.
It's light.
I like how the fishing rod extends.
I know, right? It's
It's-
cool.
But
You
I
say bye.
like the product already.
Yeah. What do you say bye now?
By
So that's highly recommended.
after
Well, we'll try it out, right?
yeah, I'll try it out, and then
Okay.
after that, I'll
Okay. See you in the next one.
okay, bye.
Hello guys! Papunta kami ng fishing. We're gonna try out the fishing rod.
We're at the fishing spot now.
So Kim and Papa is setting up.
My rod is prepared.
Ganda? Mapangit.
Okay
So I
lang.
just need to leave it up.
Ganyan lang yan. Okay na yan.
So I put it down like that.
Nakalutang ba na?
Nasaan ba?
No,
Ayun, ayun oh.
no.
Yung may green?
There, ayun. Ano ba?
Now I don't.
Ginano mo anak ko. Tingnan mo.
Aray ko, kaliit-liit naman.
Can I have it?
Come on, let me see.
We don't need to go to PetSmart now.
Oh, dali anak, dali. Show them.
New pet.
Show them,
His
Dad.
name is Harold.
Show them.
Look.
Show them, hawakan mo. Hawakan mo.
I told you.
See?
Oh my God, these stupid flies. Look at it.
Oh.
Hey Gary. This is why she got the like it now. Even though you get small fish, it has the bells. So like whenever it moves, the bells like slight like here, like it moves like that. The bell makes sound, so that means something is like biting or on the line. I got 2 catches so far. I like the fishing rod. I recommend it. So I actually recommend the fishing rod that I bought. It's right there because it also because even though it's like really small, it could catch fish, and we just caught one today. So yeah. Bye.
See?
Let me see. Let me see. Show them.
Nakatingin pa. Kunin mo yung pulay.